Oh no, the engine is dead.
Can you fix it?
No, I need a mechanic. There is no signal on my phone.
Mine too. We cannot call for help. Look, Alex, there is a cabin over there.
Let's go. We can stay dry inside. The door is open.
Is anyone inside?
Hello? Anyone here?
It is very dark and cold in here.
It is old, but at least it is dry.
Look, an old emergency radio.
Turn it on. Maybe we can hear the weather report.
Is it working now?
Yes, listen. The rain will stop soon.
Look inside the drawer.
Great! I found some matches. This fire feels so warm.
Yes, now we are finally safe. Did you hear that sound?
Yes, it is a wolf.
Is the door locked?
Yes, we are safe inside. Look, I found an old book.
Open it. What is inside?
A kind old man built this cabin long ago.
Look, he wrote about a secret path.
This map shows a secret path.
Perfect. It goes straight to the main road.
The weather is beautiful this morning.
Yes, and the map shows the way right here. Run faster! The road is close!
I can hear the wolves behind us.
Look, Alex, the rescue car is right in front of us.
We made it! We are finally safe.